If you've decided to cancel your Deezer free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your subscription is terminated before any charges occur. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Deezer website or open the Deezer app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in a menu under your profile or account name. Step 3. Find subscription information. In Account Settings, look for the section labeled Subscription or Billing. This area will provide details about your current plan and trial status. Step 4. Cancel the trial. Select the option to cancel your subscription or free trial. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any messages about the cancellation process. Step 5. Verify cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, check your email for a confirmation message from Deezer. This will ensure that your trial has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Deezer free trial and avoid any unwanted charges. If you have any further questions, consider visiting Deezer's Help Center for additional assistance.